Grab your HB pencil and let's start from this side, making the tree bush. And as you see here, you can be free drawing these squiggles. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we'll add the bush to the other side. Let's finish it off by adding a top bush. Now let's start with the tree trunk. Draw a capital V and a lowercase v. Then draw lines on each side to make the tree trunk. Finally, connect the bottom of the tree trunk together and we have a tree. So what we just did was a rough draft. I'm using my marker to make it permanent. Now clean up your drawing using the eraser. Now time for colors. I'm using light green, dark green, and brown. Start with light green on the tree bushes. Now grab your dark green and let's create depth. Finally, grab your brown and let's finish that tree trunk. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.